First of all, the KISS principle. Keep it simple. What you see there is not what the architect wants, what Revit wants. If I had 50 of those in a hall or something like that, it would really start messing with performance. So that's why I make the model states. Get rid of as many extra faces as I can, but still get the point across of here's what this product is. Okay, next one. I mentioned this before. Make sure everything is self-contained. So you start at that root folder is everything that you need to have that assembly behave properly in that root folder or subfolders underneath that root folder. So the root folder, I think of it as the tip of the iceberg. But again, not going outside to content center folders. Have them be local. Any other type of common folders you might have set up for your normal Inventor project file, no, you need to bring them down local, and you will make a local project file just for that one family. Okay, next. Mention this one as well. Use parameters. The user parameters in the base model, in that top level model, those are going to be the ones that are keyed into starting to develop your form. And keep those names consistent. If I call it rough opening height, I want to call it rough opening height and everything else that's in that assembly that uses it. You can see how the list there for, in this case, the one on the screen is the hinges. There's fixed window, there's a left hung, a right hung, top hung. That was a multi-value parameter at the Inventor level, and it filled in on the list for me automatically. And then the ones I flag as key parameters also get picked up automatically there when I'm building the form. And click again, please. iLogic itself, that's what's going to be used to push the parameter values. So I change the size of the opening or the desired window, so on. Well, that's got to go down to all the framework and all that. So yeah, push it down via the iLogic pushing parameter values. At this point, iLogic is the sole supported, I hate to call it an add-in because it's not anymore, but yeah, it's the sole supported add-in. And then finally, there's one more click on there. Make sure that you've checked the file before you publish it. Right. Make sure to flex it through some changes in values at the Inventor level. That way you can be confident your Inventor assembly is going to work before you start worrying about adding the information that the customer is going to see.